Let's make the Diablo Piña. To make this drink, we are going to take 2 ounces of our Plantaray, Stiggin's Fancy Pineapple Rum, and put that into our mixing glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of dry vermouth, and I'm using Dolan today. Use a dry vermouth of your choice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And this is where I differ from Gnome's Tavern. He used walnut bitters. I don't have any walnut bitters, so I have this tsetse bitters, the Woods Bark. I don't know if the brand name, I call them my tsetse bitters. And I'm gonna put in 2 dashes of that. 1, 2, and then 1 for the Gnome. So tsetse bitters, if you can find them. Walnut bitters, if you can find those. Whatever works for you. Now I'm gonna add my ice to the glass. And I'm gonna give it a stir. Stirring done. I'm gonna strain this into my glass. And I'm not a big fan of cocktail glasses, which some people call Martini glasses, but you know, we're making a rum-tini basically. Let's put that in this sort of glass. It'll look fancier. And we're using Stiggin's Fancy Pineapple Rum, so we gotta be fancy. Garnish, twist of lemon, and I need to get my peeler. Peeler. Ooh, I can smell that lemon, nice. I'm gonna express, wipe. And Gnome does this thing where he wipes the stem. I don't normally do this, but why not? Let's do it in honor of the Gnome. I just threw discarded the peel. You could drop it in the glass if you'd like. But there you have it, the Diablo Piña. Drink with good spirits.